Hi, bestie. Welcome to my page. I have some Happy Mail and we're about to do an unboxing. So, if you like Happy Mail, planner items, let's see which 2026 agenda that I got. So, let's get into this box. I don't have my scissor in here with me at the moment, so I'm gonna fast forward this part here. Alright, so I have the box open, and now let's go ahead and pull out my package. How are you doing today? Hopefully all is well with you and yours. Let me know in the comment with an emoji. How are you doing? Alright, so here is my package. It's nice and small. It's extremely small. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull the ribbon so we can get right into the contents. Okay, do you save your ribbon? And if you do, what do you do with your ribbons? Alright, I haven't done anything with my ribbons. I have them, but I haven't done anything. I always say I'm going to make something with them, but I never have. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, here it is. So this is the Agenda 2026 for the Louis Vuitton Pocket Agenda cover. Okay. If you're new to my page, welcome, welcome. So glad that you're here. You've been here before. Welcome back. So I just recently did the unboxing for my Louis Vuitton Agenda MM, and this is what I've been waiting for my pocket agenda. Originally, I thought it would have been shipped together. And here's the product number just in case if you're interested. Hopefully you can see it. And I'll try to put the number in one of the corners for a reference point, just in case if you're interested, if you have a Louis Vuitton pocket agenda, and if you need a 2026 agenda. Alright, so here it is. Of course, it's the same cover as the LV Agenda MM, and of course the dashboards are all the same, but here's my pocket agenda. Here's my 2025 agenda. So when we close out this calendar year, I'll be adding this pocket agenda to it. And here's the sticker. It's the same sticker as the agenda MM. So let's just do a quick briefing just in case if you're new and you haven't seen the pocket agenda before. You can jot your information and then you have your daily dates in the beginning. Hold on, let me make it a little bit closer so you can actually see. Just in case. And let's go ahead and start over. Alright, so this is the first page, Agenda 2026. Alright, you can write your personal information right here in the beginning, here. And hopefully you can see. And these pages right here is every day of the year listed there. And then next you will have your religious holidays, and the holidays are listed by each country. Sorry about that, guys. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, so this is the holidays here by each country for 2026. And it does end up after you go through all of the holidays and the religious holidays, it is a key or a legend for your holidays. And then of course it starts off with the last week of December, and then you will start the new year. And so it's just a weekly agenda, and it's perfect for your person to me, just to jot down things like when to go, your appointments, is something quick and something handy. And I'm going to show you the dashboard just in case if you did not see my unboxing of my other 2026 agenda from Louis Vuitton. Blue is my favorite color, so I was excited when I saw the cover of it. And so I'm trying to decide this year if I should add in my planner dashboards into my pocket agenda. We'll see. We'll see. All right. So maybe I should take this out and place this in so you can see just in case if you're not familiar with Louis Vuitton agendas. Because when I did the unboxing of okay, so here's my stickers from previous years of my agenda, but in my unboxing of my LV Agenda MM, someone left a comment said they didn't even realize LV had even made agendas. So they have them in all the sizes. So this is how it looks once you add it in there. So thank you so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe. Toodles.